I'm Angel. And to know many things about parabola, let's find out why it is linked with conic section.
I am Renny Severino,
And I'm Iguanan Astinio,
and let's explore the conic and parabola. Conic section are the curves obtained when a plane cuts the cone. A cone generally has two identical conical shapes, known as naves.
we inject various shapes depending upon the angle of the cut between the plane and the cone and its nape.
A parabola is formed when the plane cuts the cone parallel to the side of the cone.
The definition of a parabola is the set of all points in a plane, such that each point in the set is equidistant from a line called the directrix and the fixed point called the focus.
When the orientation of the parabola is facing upward, then the equation should look like this. And if the orientation of the parabola is facing downward, then the equation should look like this.
Do you wonder if parabola has more than two orientation? Yes, you're right. There are parabola that is facing to the left and facing to the right.
It's Dale time! Make sure to have a pen and paper by your side as we try to graph this equation. X squared equals to negative 4y. First, let's obtain the value of p. To have this, we should use this formula. Fun fact, if you are solving for a distance, the answer would always be positive and not negative. Divide both sides into 4 and we should have the answer to the value of p, which is 1. Now that we have the value of p, we could now obtain the focus and the directrix. We are going to plot one point since it is the value of p, from the vertex downward since it's a parabola facing downward. For the endpoints of the latus rectum, we just need to obtain 2p, which is equals to 2 times 1, which is also equals to 2. So the value of 2p is the value or distance that we need to plot from the focus to have the endpoint of the latus rectum. After that, you can now draw the parabola. The distance of the vertex to the directrix is congruent to the distance of vertex to the focus. For the directrix, we will draw broken lines parallel to the latus rectum. Now that we all have the information that we need to our graph, let's define what are these things. The orientation of our parabola, it is facing downward. For its vertex, it is in the origin or 0, 0. Its focus is on 0, negative 1. Its directrix is y equals to 1. And its axis of symmetry is x equals to 0.
Hi, I'm Angel.
I'm ready.
I'm Yvonne. I am Ira.
Ako si Ken.
Mary Heart A. Dorado.
And I am Dale.
And we are
the Parabolas!
Okay na, be. Okay na yan.